out here, we had to like...
What the fuck just happened?
I don't know what just happened.
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy! Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. Now for today's video, we're gonna be driving all the way to San Diego. It's actually been a minute since I've gone over there, and for this time, guys, Chaz is gonna be throwing out a crazy ass event today. They're gonna be doing some crazy shit, bro. They're gonna be doing two-step, bunch of flames, obviously, like fucking always. There's gonna be some sick ass cars out there tonight, so we got a fucking long drive ahead of us. But actually right now, we're gonna be meeting up with all of them. Like, I think in Irvine, we're all gonna be meeting up by, and it's gonna be like a lot of heads. We're gonna be rallying all the way to San Diego, so that's gonna be a lot of fun, getting some rollers out there. But you already know, guys, once it's a rally, bro, no one cruises. No one ever fucking cruises. Everyone, once someone takes off, the other takes off, the other takes off, and it's just a fucking chase at the end. So hopefully we make it there safe and sound. All right, guys, quick stop right now. We haven't had food at all fucking day, actually, not even breakfast. So we ended up coming right here, guys. If you guys don't fucking know, Papi's Tacos, bro. Oh my days, I'm about to put y'all on. Right now I'm supposed to not be eating unhealthy food, but at this moment, very moment right now, I have no fucking choice, man. What the fuck am I gonna get, huh?
Lies.
What do you mean lying?
You're lying to your people.
You're the one who fucking said Papi's.
Yeah, right, that's me.
Alright guys, so right now we just got to the meetup spot with all the whips. This is how it's looking. This shit focuses. Oh yeah. We're still waiting on more right now, guys. This one here is fucking sick. Yeah, man, we're about to eat right now some tacos. You left the tacos inside? Why'd you leave the tacos? Oh, then we got the Rocket League. The Rocket League Lambo. Guys, I didn't even fucking notice this was right next to me as soon as I pulled in. What the fuck? It's a fucking Chiron, bro. What the fuck? Damn, bro, look at this. This looks crazy. That Chiron is wild, bro. I got a fucking Senna right here. Fully carbon fiber too, man. Bro, that's hard. People are legit getting a detail inside here. Jeez. M3CS. Oh man, this thing's hella wet. Literally. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on our way. For some reason, when Chazzy told everyone, let's get the fuck out of here, no one got the fuck out of there. So it's me and the homie Motozilla. If you guys don't remember him from the prom video, was spitting crazy ass flames. We're the ones rolling right now, together, alone. You know, GTR boys. GTR boys!
1 hour later.
Little update, guys. We are still on the fucking freeway! Bro, we've been stuck on the freeway for more than a fucking hour, and we still got more than a fucking hour to go. This ain't good, bro. This ain't right, bro. This ain't fucking right, bro. What the fuck is going on, bro? What the fuck is they doing, man? What are you doing? Is that a fucking Supra? Oh, fuck!
Daddy? Oh my God, Daddy!
Damn, bro, we rolling in deep. We ran into everyone now. Sheesh. Here we got the Supra. Damn, the Supra. That's just fire. We gotta get the fuck out. Alright guys, we just made it right now to the meetup location. All of us over here straight posted right now. We ended up parking over here. Bro, we need to take a fat ass fucking piss. I'll fucking tell you that much. Being in the car for almost 2 fucking goddamn hours got me fucked up, but we're still missing on some more cars to pull up. We ended up losing Malto. That boy ended up going in a different direction, so I don't know where the fuck he at, but this is where we're all at right now. Sheesh. Ooh, we got the land. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There he is. Malto! No mames, carnal. ¿Dónde ganaste, bro? Oh my gosh, Malto's spitting flames right now. This boy's crazy. Woo! Oh my days! Oh my days! Woo! Let's go, boys! it, but look at this line though. Jeez. This line is freaking long, bro. It's almost like we're in the fucking freeway again. All right, guys, we finally made it here. Look at this.
My friend's next number.
It's freaking packed, bro. So it's inside and outside. Yeah, that's just fucking loud. All right, guys, now this is the outside. It's freaking packed out here. Oh my God. Someone's already fucking popping out there, bro. R32. Damn, guys, look at the taco spot and then look at the pizza spot. Everyone's getting pizza, bro. Poor tacos. Alright, guys, we ended up getting the pizza. It's pizza review time. Okay, look at that pizza. Look at that thing. Oh yeah. Get a bite? Let me know what you think. Damn. What are we giving out of 10? Gas?
Don't let him see my face.
Bro, this guy literally has the movie Fast and Furious on his fucking windshield. What the fuck, bro? He got Fast and Furious on his windshield. That's actually crazy, bro. Alright, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's two-step time, baby. Everyone is moving right now. Oh my days. They're finally gonna do the two-step. Initially, they didn't know how they're gonna get everyone down. Oh my days, bro, it's fucking loud. It's about to get fucking wild. I see that Ferrari, my boy. Oh my days, bro. We got the GTR now. to this shit, dog. Oh my days. So right now they're actually gonna have them go against each other. We're gonna get the Supra versus the Lexus ICE 300. Bro, it's about to get fucking crazy. My ears are fucking done. My head fucking hurts, but we out here, baby. Bro, my ears are fucking done. Oh my gosh, bro. That shit was ridiculous. I'm like the whole time like fucking. What the fuck just happened, Moises? What? What? I can't hear you. Chaz, where are you? What?
Alright, man, we out here. We had to, like.
The fuck just happened?
I don't know what just happened. That was so loud.
My ears are bleeding, dog. What the fuck? Everyone's running over here, bro. Everyone is. Look at everyone, bro. They just hear our car and they all start running over here, bro. Let's hear it! Hey! Hey! OG! 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 Let's hear it! Oh, let's go! My leg! Oh, yeah. That's best of show right there, guys. That's best of show, bro.
There you go, guys.
We got the Supra. There's my boy. Alright guys, we ended up coming here to Gaslamp. We're gonna check it out. First time coming out over here. You want me to rev it, bro? Of course it's loud. Bro, this spot looks sick. I hope you guys did enjoy the video, man. Today was fucking sick. Shout out to Chazzy. Shout out to Moises and them. They threw a sick ass event, man. Always bangers on bangers. Like always, make sure you guys go ahead and like and subscribe, baby. Ooh,